Hi everyone, welcome to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a brand new video, and for today's video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can remove your phone number from Discord account. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to remove your phone number on Discord, first thing you need to log in into your account. Once you're logged into your account, in the bottom left corner you'll be able to see your gear icon. Click on it. As you click on the gear icon, you'll be directed to user settings, and under it you'll be able to see a list of options. Right on top there is an option as my account. Click on it. As you click on my account, in the right hand side corner you'll be able to see your account info, and right in between you'll be able to see your contact information. First of all, you'll have email and your phone number. So in order to remove your phone number, just click on remove. And after that, for the confirmation, once again a pop-up appears, and as you click on confirm, you have successfully removed your phone number. And in case if you want to add a new one, then you'll have an option as add right in the corner, and you need to click on it, and then you'll be able to add a new phone number. Similarly, if you want to change your email address, then you need to click on edit. And as you click on edit, next interface you'll have an option as change, and you can just simply remove it and then type in the new email address that you want to register. After you've made changes or after you've provided a new contact information, you need to verify it as well. So for that, a verification link or a code will be sent, so you need to check for it. And after that, you've successfully verified your account. So that is how you can remove your contact information on Discord account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.